Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again with me Alisa. So let me thank you all for coming here today. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is about was or were and simple past tense. First, was or were. The definition is was and were are both the past tense forms of the verb or be, which is used to show a noun state of being or used as a helping verb in connection with other verbs. Jadi, was atau were adalah bentuk-bentuk lampau atau bentuk dari simple past tense kata kerja be yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan keadaan kata benda atau digunakan sebagai kata kerja bantuan sehubungan dengan kata kerja lainnya. Nah, di sini ada contoh kalimat yaitu Robert is at work now. At midnight last night, he wasn't at work. He was in bed, he was asleep. Nah, untuk penjelasan lebih detailnya di sini ada or is yaitu present itu nanti akan menjadi was dalam bentuk simple past tense-nya. Contohnya, I am tired now. Jadinya untuk diubah menjadi simple past tense yaitu I was tired last night. Nah, yang kedua, where is Kate? Menjadi where was Kate yesterday? The weather is nice today. Menjadi the weather was nice last week. Jadi untuk to be was itu digunakan singular atau per orang. Nah, untuk bentuk present are itu menjadi were dalam bentuk past tense. Contohnya, you are late menjadi you were late yesterday. They aren't here menjadi they weren't here last Sunday. Jadi untuk to be are atau to be were dalam bentuk past tense itu digunakan dalam bentuk jamak. Nah, di sini untuk bentuk afirmatif or positif I, he, she, it menggunakan to be was dan untuk we, you, they menggunakan to be were. Nah, untuk kalimat negatif I, he, she, it menggunakan was not atau wasn't. We, you, they menggunakan to be were not or weren't. Nah, untuk kalimat questionnya or interrogatifnya, to be was digunakan untuk I, he, she, it. Contohnya, was I, was he, was it. Dan untuk to be were, itu berlaku untuk we, you, they. Contohnya, were we, were you, were they. Nah, di sini ada beberapa kalimat contohnya ya. Last year, Rachel was 22, so she is 23 now. When I was a child, I was scared of dogs. We were hungry after the trip, but we weren't tired. The hotel was comfortable, but it wasn't expensive. Was the weather nice when you were on vacation? Your shoes are nice. Were they expensive? Why were you late this morning? Oke guys, kita akan bersama-sama untuk mencoba mengerjakan soal. Write or is or are present or was or were past. Number 1. Last year she was 22, so she is 23 now. Number 2. Today the weather is nice, but yesterday it was very cold. Number 3. I am hungry. Can I have something to eat? Number 4. I feel fine this morning, but I was very tired last night. Number 5. Where were you at 11 last Friday morning? Number 6. Don't buy those shoes. They are very expensive. Number 7. I like your new jacket. Is it expensive? Number 8. This time last year I was in Paris. And the last, where were Sam and Joe? I don't know, they were here a few minutes ago. Nah itu dia teman-teman beberapa contoh soal dari materi was or were. Next, kita akan membahas tentang simple past tense itu sendiri. Apa sih pengertiannya? The simple past tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happen or exist before now. Simple past tense adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk berbicara tentang hal-hal yang terjadi sebelumnya atau sebuah aktivitas di masa lalu. Nah, di simple past tense ini ada yang namanya time signal atau penanda waktu. Yaitu ada yesterday, ada last week, last month, last year, dan sebagainya. Ada juga ago, 2 hours ago, 2 days ago, dan sebagainya. Nah, ini dia rumus dari simple past tense. Nah, simple past tense sendiri itu dibagi menjadi dua ya teman-teman. Yang pertama ada simple past tense nominal atau to be. Nah, rumusnya untuk yang kalimat positif, subject plus to be was or to be were. Contohnya, they were friends. Untuk kalimat negatifnya ada subject plus was not or were not. Contohnya, they weren't friends. Dan untuk kalimat interrogatifnya ada was or were plus subject. Contohnya, they weren't friends. Dan untuk simple past tense yang verb atau verbal, untuk kalimat positif ada subject plus verb to atau ed. Contohnya, she worked yesterday. Dan untuk kalimat negatifnya ada subject plus did not plus verb or base form atau bisa menggunakan verb 1. Contohnya, she didn't work yesterday. Dan untuk kalimat interrogatifnya ada did plus subject plus verb or in base form yaitu verb 1 juga. Contohnya, did she work yesterday? Jadi untuk simple past tense ini yang verbs atau verbal itu yang menggunakan verb 2 hanya kalimat positif. Untuk kalimat negatif dan kalimat interrogatifnya menggunakan verb 1. Nah, di sini ada contoh dari simple present, they watch TV every night. Untuk dirubah menjadi simple past tense yaitu they watch TV last night. Jadi watch itu diubah ke verb 2 yaitu watch. Nah, di sini ada contoh dari kata irregular atau yang tak beraturan. Dan here are some important irregular verbs. Di sini ada begin menjadi began, break menjadi broke, bring menjadi brought, build menjadi built, buy menjadi bought, catch menjadi caught, come menjadi came, dan seterusnya. Jadi untuk bentuk verb 2 itu tidak mesti harus ed ya teman-teman. Ada kalanya beberapa kata yang irregular atau tidak beraturan, dan itu adalah beberapa contoh yang sudah tertera di screen. Nah, untuk contoh kalimatnya ada I usually get up early, but this morning I got up at 9:30. We did a lot of work yesterday. Megan went to the movie 3 times last week. James came into the room, took off his coat and sat down. Nah, there is some exercise for simple past tense. Number 1, I brushed my teeth 3 times yesterday. Number 2, it was hot in the room, so I opened the window. Number 3, the movie was very long. It started at 7:15 and ended at 10 o'clock. Number 4 is when I was a child, I want to be a doctor. Number 5, the accident happened last Sunday afternoon. Number 6, the weather is nice today, but yesterday it rained all day. 7. We stayed our vacation last year. We enjoyed at a very nice place. And the last, Anna's grandfather died when he was 19 years old. Nah, itu dia beberapa contoh soal dari materi simple past tense. Oke guys, cukup sekian penjelasan materi simple past tense dan voice over dari saya. Semoga bermanfaat dan thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.